If you've ever wondered about the mysterious funding account in your Raiz dashboard, you're not alone. It's a crucial piece of the investment puzzle, often overlooked but essential to understanding how your money grows. So, what exactly is a funding account? Think of it as the backstage area of your Raiz show. It's where all the action happens before the main event, your investments. It's the place where your hard-earned cash is temporarily held, waiting to be deployed into the market. Why do you need a funding account? Well, the stock market doesn't work on a whim. It has its own rules and regulations. When you decide to invest, your money can't just magically appear in the market. It needs a staging area, a holding pen, if you will. That's where your funding account comes in. How does it work? It's a pretty straightforward process. When you make a deposit into your Raiz account, the funds first land in your funding account. This is where they sit, safe and sound, until Raiz executes your next scheduled investment. But why the delay? The delay is primarily due to the market's trading hours. Raiz aims to maximize the efficiency of your investments by buying shares at the best possible price. To achieve this, they batch multiple investments together and execute them at optimal times. What about withdrawals? If you need to withdraw funds, they'll be taken from your funding account first. This ensures that your ongoing investments aren't disrupted. Key points to remember. Your funding account is not an investment account. It's a temporary holding place for your funds. It's essential to monitor your funding account balance. Ensure you have sufficient funds for your scheduled investments. Raiz aims to minimize the time your money spends in the funding account. They strive to execute investments as efficiently as possible. By understanding your funding account, you gain a deeper insight into the mechanics of your Raiz investments. It's a small but vital cog in the wheel that keeps your financial future moving forward. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.